To configure the subscription group, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. Now click on the Create Subscription Group button. You can simply set up the subscription plan name that you want to appear on the online store. Now, simply select the option that best fits your subscription offerings, whether it's a one-time subscription or a subscription-only plan. To add products for the subscription, simply click on Browse by Products or Browse by Collections, then select the desired product and click the Add button. This way, you can easily add or remove products within the subscription group. Now, let's move forward with configuring the subscription frequencies. If you're looking for prepaid subscription offerings, simply check the prepaid option and configure it accordingly. Now, to configure the subscription discount, simply check the discount option in the same way. Then, select your preferred discount type from percentage off, amount off, or flat rate, and configure it accordingly. You can easily add or remove frequencies by clicking the Add or Delete icon. After that, you can easily select or modify the delivery intervals and billing attempts according to your subscription offerings. You can choose from day, week, month, or year as your preferred delivery interval. And for billing attempts, you can configure it from the billing fields. Now, if you want the subscription to be cancelled after a certain number of orders, you can configure the auto cancellation feature. If you don't want the subscription to be cancelled until it's done by the admin or customer, you can simply leave it as is. To configure a gift product for your subscription offerings, simply select the frequency at which you want to send a gift to your customers. Could be for manual/specific frequencies or all frequencies. Then you can choose whether to offer a choice list or a fixed gift. Afterward, add the gift product. Now, select the criteria based on amount or number of orders, and specify the instances when you want to send the gift. To add a tag to your customer based on the subscription they have purchased, simply configure it in the Customer Tags field. To offer a subscription as a trial, simply select your preferred trial option and configure it according to your requirements. To allow your customers to swap products within their subscription, simply add the product for swapping. Fallback features act as a backup if you want your customers to try a new product within their subscription, even if they forget to swap. You can configure the fallback product accordingly. Now click the Save button to save the configuration. Congratulations on creating your first subscription group.